Okay, now for something a little different. So I have my car connected to the wood chipper, so I have very limited space to drive on my property from the front to the back. I have to drive on a neighbor's with permission. They don't have a problem. But the intent in buying this is that this adapts or goes down, and then I can pull it with my tractor. So we want to see if that's going to work. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is put the trailer jack on that, connect this, and see if I can manually pull, and then we will then connect it to the tractor and see if the tractor can pull it. All right, let's see if we can manually pull. All right, so it took quite a bit of effort to get it to start moving, but once it starts rolling, it was doing pretty good, but it is also flat. So let's hook up to the tractor now. Okay, I left the, I call it trailer jack, down so that I could switch this over. The wheel comes up on top, the handles come down. I connect it to there. I lowered the bar, and I made sure that this is engaged so the thing can't pop off. All right, so let's see if the tractor can pull it. All right, let's see what goes on. Okay, so it might be hard to tell, but there's a little low swale there. So I stopped there intentionally to see if I could get it to start again, but the tires are just spinning. So let's have a look and see. So it looks like the tires are spinning on the grass. So I do have more aggressive tires on this little guy. So maybe I'll swap them out and see if this one will pull. I don't think this one is that powerful though. But let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. So the more aggressive tread did get it out after some rocking, but this is obviously not the ideal situation or even a good situation. So I don't think I can use my tractor to pull this even into my backyard, much less to use it to pull it on the trail. So either I need to obtain a bigger tractor, an ATV, or just use my car. But that was pretty fun. Definitely would work for my the log splitter that I borrow, but this is a pretty heavy piece of equipment.